Alright guys, Bruno here, Bruno's Classic Car Garage. I've just got the trunk lid cleaned out on this Buick. I did the plugs there, but the seam sealer is still wet. So I put plastic on there because I'm going to put the matting down. I don't want it to be sticking to that. You know, that's not going to affect anything anyways, but I don't want to make a mess of the matting there. So anyways, got everything cleaned out, vacuumed inside there, did some touch-ups underneath, cleaned everything, and so now I'm going to spray some wax inside there, which I've already done once. All they had from the factory was they just shot a bunch of undercoating in here, and I mean, what's that going to do? Like, really, I don't know. So anyways, I'm going to spray some wax. If you guys are doing these kind of projects, restoration stuff, you need to do this for sure, 100%. Which, this is what I use here. There's other companies making this too. You know, so basically this will get into your seams, like where you welded, and it'll saturate everything, you know, as good as possible. And you kind of know when you got enough on there when it starts dripping down the bottom of the quarter or the doors or whatever you're spraying. And I just put it in a Schultz gun here. And that's about it. It's pretty simple stuff. So, and this will pretty much be the last step, and then I can put the, well, there'll be the floor mat, and then I got to get the cardboard, the fillers in here too. So I still got 2 more things I got to get done in here. But anyway, so this will be the next step, and then that's about it. So I'll just show you what I'm doing here. Hold on one sec. Okay. So obviously you're not going to be able to see in the corner itself, but it's just whatever. Just something to show you here what I'm doing, I guess. And if you do get some of this where you don't want it, you can just simply take some wash and wipe and clean it off if you have to. And you don't have to trigger the gun all the way here either. Let's see how liquid it is. Just get it in there. Yeah, you don't want to go full bore because it'll just splash everywhere too, right? Except where you can't reach like that. You're just going to load it and it's going to... And that's pretty much about all you got to do here. That's about it. See? And then it'll drip out the bottom after. And that pretty much takes care of that. Let's see here, maybe I can get some more up inside here. It's not bad. There we have it. I tell you, these lights. And then we got this side here. And then there was one. Come on, stand up already. For Pete's sake. I tell you, I'm going to have to get a wheelchair for this thing. And I love the smell of this stuff, eh? It's pretty strong, but... Alright, you sapsucker. Okay, so that's about as good as it's gonna get. Did I see a piece of paper in there? Let's see. Oh, there is a little tiny piece of paper there. That's nice. I'm going to have to go... Guess I'll have to grab that because we had that all papered off in there so overspray wouldn't go from one side to the other. That's about it, I guess. Probably there's plugs on the inside of the door jamb. I'll probably do inside on the quarter, underneath the quarter glass there. But that's it. Like I said, I already did the car, but this is basically making sure that it's gonna be good. Alright guys, did you learn anything? That's all I want to teach you for now. Alright, okay, talk to you guys later. I just wanted to show you a little bit more close up here. And then when that dries, it won't be so like ugly looking, but there's panels that cover all this, those, you know, the panels that are like those cardboard. And as you can see, can you guys see? Nah, pretty hard, isn't it? There you go. And as you can see the back side of this drop panel here, the floor drop off. I actually epoxied all that because I knew it'd be hard to get before I even put the quarter on, so I know this side is coated and protected. So I know this sounds like it might not be a big deal, but this is going to help the longevity of your restoration for sure. Like I say, it's something you really need to do. Very important, very important. See this side, the camera's on the other side there, so. And then on this side, you see how it's dripping? That's what I was saying. It'll drip and saturate the pinch weld, see over here? Yeah. And that's what it's supposed to do. So it's kind of coming out where there's probably a little opening, and because you can't seal the pinch weld, you know, like the two lips in here very well, right? So that's basically going to protect it. So I mean, this car is not going to see mud and all that stuff anymore, or gravel, so that should last a long time. Alright guys, so I just wanted to add that to the first video there, but alright, talk to you guys later, and share, like, and subscribe, eh? Hey guys, if there's anything you like about the videos you're watching, please share, like, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.